Hello, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today we're going to show you how to make a carne de res deshebrada, simply because it's a great, nutritious dish that you can make for any occasion. So first, we're going to add 1/4 pound of carne de res. Next, add 1 tablespoon salt, followed by 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Next, 1 tablespoon of garlic, paprika. Next, mix the product thoroughly. Make sure you coat the meat evenly. Next, grab your sheet pan or your baking pan, whatever is nearest to you. Add 1/4 cup julienne onions. Spread them around. Next, add your beef one at a time, followed by half of your seasoning mix. Next, add 1 cup of the cherry tomatoes, followed by 1 quart of water. Finally, cover and foil. Next, place into a 450-degree oven for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and what you'll have is a great, nutritious meal for any occasion.